We'll guide you through how to make Obsidian calendar and checklist. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, to begin this tutorial, launch your Obsidian application and open your main Vault workspace where you want to manage your tasks. Wait until the workspace finishes loading properly before continuing with the setup process. Navigate to the bottom left corner of the Obsidian interface and click the gear icon to open the settings menu. In the left sidebar, locate and select Community Plugins to access the plugin management section. Next, click the Browse button to open the Obsidian plugin marketplace and search for additional tools. Use the search bar at the top of the plugin browser and type exactly tasks, then wait for the available results to appear. Select the tasks plugin from the search results and open its plugin page. Click the Install button and wait while Obsidian downloads and prepares the required plugin files. Once the installation process is complete, click the Enable button to activate the tasks plugin inside your Vault. Close the settings window and return to your note workspace. Open any note where you want to create and manage a new task. Press Ctrl+P to open the command palette, then search for Create or Edit Task and select the matching command from the list. A task creation window will appear in the center of your screen with several configuration options. Enter your task description in the text field located at the top of the window. Adjust the task priority by selecting an option such as low, medium, high, or highest depending on its importance. You can also configure extra options including recurring schedules, due dates, scheduled dates, or start dates if needed. Click the calendar icon beside each date option to choose a specific date. Change the task status between to do, in progress, done, or canceled based on your workflow. After everything is configured, click the Apply button to create the checklist item. Your task will now appear directly inside your note as a checklist entry. When the task is completed, click the checkbox to mark it as finished. Obsidian will automatically record the completion date beside the completed task for tracking purposes.